Hi, myself Rishabh, and in this video I'll cover DICE recruiting. Basically, how I source recruiting and handle IT roles through DICE. So basically, understanding the client requirement is the step one process, and as you can see, the job titles, technologies required, skills, experience level, and certification, location level, and any other requirements. So as soon as I get any job description, I firstly go through that in detail so that I'll get to know what exactly our client is looking for. And after that, here is the keyword or boolean searches that you can be used, advanced boolean searches. For example, if I search on Java or J2EE and AWS and the experience of Databricks, or let's say a person handling front end. So here we'll use a normal string and then click on search, and with this we'll get some profiles. Okay, so yep, these are the profiles that we are getting through this boolean string. We can search on the particular location. For example, we can choose Florida or maybe Colorado, and yep, here we can also use the zip code. For example, we are looking for any local candidate who is within the range or 50 miles radius, we can do that as well. Or the candidates who are open to relocate, we can use this skill set. As well as here are the key filters that needs to be used while doing the active searches. So here are, like, for example, the last active on DICE, a candidate who has recently been active, has activated his profile and recently searching. So within 30 days, let's say. So these are the profiles, let's say 30 days. Here are these profiles that are recently been trying to get a job, and they're trying to get in the market. And similarly, resume last updated, employment type, what type of a role that they're looking for. For example, if I'm searching for a contract opportunity or full time, so here I can select those filter. And if I'm sourcing for US candidates or Canada, or what are their work permits, these are the visa things, the US citizen or visa holder, H1B, green card. So we can use these filters. Compensation, if there's a government level, for security clearance, travel preference, desired work setting, what type of role the candidate is looking for. According to that, I can also do this sourcing. For example, education, or let's say the client has given us for this candidate should be coming from um, networking background, or any other from Amazon, Accenture, Oracle. So I can use this search filter so that the candidates whom I'll be contacting or sourcing, those will be from IBM. So here these are results. Okay, so yep, and I can use these skills as well. For example, if I'm getting let's remove this, and now I'm getting like 505 candidates for now. Suppose I haven't used few skill set that is not asked by the client side as a must have, but this good to have, so that I can use this skill set and keyword, and then we can search on the skill set based on that. Or maybe the job title, if they are looking for software engineer, application developer, but it can also be used. So this is how the basic thing for screening purpose. I can open any profile, and based on that I can be seeing what the which clients that they have worked with, and what certifications do they carry with them, and what are the work how's the work history look like, if they are job hoppy or not, what certifications, education, different things. So these things are being matched, and through the Excel sheet I keep track on the candidates record, like what type of candidate, if I've been contacted, I share them personalized email, in-mail messages through them. And then I can particularly do a cold calling to these candidates, so that we'll get to know who is a good fit for this role and who is eager. So yep, that's all for how I do this and candidate outreach, and happy to share more. Thanks.